Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study the Ottoman Empire, and these days you are watching a television drama serial on Artagal Ghazi and Usman Ghazi, who laid the foundations of this uh, Ottoman Empire, Khilafat Osmania. So let's study today about Khilafat Osmania or Ottoman Empire, that how it was started, and then what was the cause of its fall, and uh, who are the famous rulers in this dynasty. So we are going to study about the start of the Ottoman Empire, Khilafat Osmani. In 1298 AD, AC or CE, you can see there I have written three names we use for it. 1298 AD. AD means after Domini. After Domini means the Anno Domini. Anno Domini means the year of our Lord, means the year of Jesus Christ. Or AC, after Christ, after the time after Christ. Or CE means Christian era, Christ era. So these three names are used for, or we use in our calendar. So in 1298 AD or AC or CE, the foundation of Ottoman Empire or Khilafat Osmania was laid down. These were the Seljuk tribes, and in the Seljuk tribes there was Artagal. Artagal was the commander of Sultan Alauddin, and he started campaigns against those rebel tribes who were a threat to the Islamic government. Then this tribe, Seljuk Kai tribe, occupied small kingdoms of the modern day Turkey, and then they made their own kingdoms. Seljuks made their own small kingdoms in the modern day Turkey. After the death of Ertugrul, his son Osman made the strongest kingdom or the strongest principality in the western Anatolia, and he is known as Osman I. You can see the spelling UTHMAN. TH we use for C, Sa, Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. For Sa we use TH in English language. So Osman I in western Anatolia. This way, this Osman I laid the foundation of Ottoman Empire. Ottoman, Osman, we say Osman, we use Osman, UTH for say, and in English to Osman they say Ottoman. So the English people say Ottoman to Osman, so Ottoman Empire, Khilafat Osmania. Now 100 years after empire spread to eastern Mediterranean to Balkans, within 100 years it spread in the whole area, and its size became very big. Then you can see that Orhan, who was the son of Osman I, he captured Bursa in 1326, and then Bursa was made the new capital of Ottoman Empire. Okay, with the fall of Bursa, Byzantine lost control of the northwest Anatolia, and absolutely Anatolia came under Ottoman Empire. And then there was a regional stability and security inside the borders of the Ottoman Empire. They got great achievements in arts, science and culture. Ottoman Empire developed arts, science and culture within its borders and gave new ideas in art, science and culture to the world too. Then we see that this Ottoman Empire was one of the world's mightiest empires, and it was spread to Middle East, Eastern Europe and North Africa. And 36 direct descendants ruled for 600 years. And the most popular rulers were Mehmed II or Muhammad II, Muhammad Dom, and Salim I or Salim I. And Suleiman the Magnificent. Suleiman was also a very great ruler in this dynasty. So Suleiman the Magnificent. This was about the foundation of the Ottoman Empire. Let's study in detail about more.